Okay guys, I have the ColourPop All I See Is Magic eyeshadow palette, and that's what I'm using right now as my transition color on both my eyelids. And that color is Big Spoon from their palette, and I'm just going in and intensifying that. And I do believe I'm still in the same palette, the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette. That's like a maroon color that I'm adding in there. And then on the other side, I'm doing the same thing. And I think that color, guys, is Pitter Patter out of the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette. I'm talking my shit. And I'm just gonna keep packing that color on into my crease and blending. It's gonna be a lot of blending in this video, a lot of shit talking. So more pitter patter in my crease, just trying to start getting this look together. Yeah, and I gotta check it out even more. I think I'm adding a metallic in there now as well. That is Something Special. And it's a maroon color as well, but it's kind of glittery or whatever. Oh wow, I could have clipped that out. Really? Okay, so now I'm going back in and I'm adding... What am I adding? Oh, I think that's the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I think that is... no. What is that? Shit. Hold up. It might be still the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette. I'm gonna turn some lights on this shit. I don't even know. I don't even know what color it is, honestly, at this point. So, so sorry about that. Damn, how unprofessional. I think it's in the All I See Is Magic palette. I think it's just one of those colors that I added. And I am adding some depth on the other side. Okay, you guys, this is some concealer from LA Girl, I believe. And I'm just gonna try to cut a crease out. It's like a half crease though. So, and I did pretty good. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm gonna add one of these colors from the All I See Is Magic palette, and it is Top Notch and Nah in Zen. Okay guys, this is a NYX liner. It's the Vivid Brights, and I don't remember the color, but I think the color is something Petal. It's the pink one though by NYX. So hold on, I have it right here. It is Vivid Petal. Yep. And then I'm taking some NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to prime my eyelid because I'm gonna put some glitter in the crease. And I believe I used Blue and Crystal. Both of those are by NYX. I went in with the Blue first, didn't like it, added the Crystal. The Crystal glitter, literally, I could wear it with anything. Like, that stuff is so cute. It's like just diamond looking glitter specks, and it goes with everything. Because not all glitters look good on me. I don't know why, but whatever. So that's what I'm doing. I believe I'm just adding some black liner, and that black liner is by Milani. It's the Supreme Kohl Kajal Blackest Black eyeliner. It's really pretty. Okay, this is the NYX Pore Filler Primer that I've been using, and I'm using Fawn by LA Girl. This is the concealer. I just apply this to my dark spots before I put on my foundation. And I kind of blend that out just a little bit. This is I think that's a Real Technique sponge, I believe. So I'm just buffing that out just a little bit. And now, I already did my foundation. I don't know what happened to that clip, I'm sorry, but now I am setting my under eyes. But for foundation, I use the Fenty foundation in 370. And I'm just brushing away all that baking powder. And I think I'm adding some Bare Minerals powder. It's just like a Bare Pro powder. It's in the color Cardamom, just to even everything out. And I like to apply that on my contour areas too, because when I cream contour and then, I don't know, stuff be muddy and sliding everywhere. Okay, that was Fix Plus spray you saw me spraying just to make everything look normal again. Then I'm applying some mascara. And excuse me, now I'm highlighting. More than likely I'm highlighting with the Anastasia Glow Kit Ultimate Glow palette. What am I doing? Ooh, look at that glow. Pow, bling, blow, bling, blow, bling. Alright, this is the lip liner by Italia, I want to say. And I think it's the color brown. It's really nice and smooth. I got it from Hush. And that's one of my NYX liners that I'm just going to line my lips with completely so that way my color sticks. I don't know what color it is, but if you check my Instagram, I have all the products listed. I probably don't have it listed though. And that is another NYX lip color. One of the lip lingerie ones. Super matte. Then I'm gonna apply a NYX gloss on top of that. And then I believe I applied a Laura Geller gloss on top of that with some glitter specks in it. And I think that's all I did. I'm not sure. Maybe. Just keep watching. I think I'm applying some lashes right here. These lashes I got off of Amazon or eBay, I'm not sure. They're just random lashes, but they are my faves. And so I'm just applying lashes to the other side as well. Be back. So I'm just doing my finishing touches, you guys, adding a little bit of mascara, checking myself out. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.